Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed the summary of expert detectives. Today, we will take line by line explanation of this. As we walked back towards the clinic, Seven said, "He does not look anything like a monster." Monster? He doesn't look like a monster. Monster means demon. He doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya, but did you see how thin he is? Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. Now, Seven said, when we were walking towards the clinic, he doesn't look anything like a monster. He doesn't look like a monster, Maya, but have you seen that he is very thin? It may be he is poor. Who is he? Nisha, and can't afford to eat. It may be that he is unable to afford to eat. He cannot be poor if he is a crook on the run. Crook mane a cheat. If he is a cheater, he cannot be so poor. He has probably got millions of rupees stashed away. Stashed away means hid safely somewhere in that room. If he is a crook, it may be that he has no money, and I think he has millions of rupees that is hidden in his room. Do you really think he is a criminal, Maya? He doesn't look one. Nisha looked doubtful. Now Nisha said, Maya, do you think that he is a criminal? He doesn't look like a criminal. Of course, he is one. Seven, I said, and he certainly isn't starving, hungry. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meal up from the restaurant down the stairs. Now he said that Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meal from the restaurant which is downstairs. But Maya, Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anymore. So how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nisha said. Now, Nisha said, Mr. Mehta also told us that he doesn't work. So how did he pay for the food? Exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in that trunk in his room. It is probably full of silver and gold and jewels. Now, he said, I exclaimed, exactly. It may be he must have lots of money hidden somewhere in the trunk, and it is full of silver and gold. What rubbish? Rubbish? Nonsense. This is nonsense. Nisha interrupted, disturbed. I know I am right, stupid. I told him. By the way, Seven, did you see his scars? I couldn't. It was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shoot out from the police or something. Have you seen his scars? Mars, and I bet that it may be that he could get it from when he was shooting with the police. Mummy told us quite clearly they were burned scars. Nisha said, Mama told that is the scars of burning. Perhaps the police had set his house on fire to force him out, I suggested. Seven looked unsure. It may be that police tried when his house got fire. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, Seven went alone with her to the clinic at Grigham. As I was spending the evening with a school friend, when they returned, Nisha told me he had been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed. Annoyed means anger, that I had not been there. On the Monday following, that was Mama's birthday, and Seven with her went to the clinic which is at Grigham, and he was spending the time with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he had been to see. At that time, he had seen Mr. Nath, and Maya became annoyed that I had not been there. Savin had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt thin appearance, and was sure that he was starving, hungry. उसको देखने से ऐसा लगता था as if he is sick. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." और उसने मुझे बताया, he told me, उसने मुझे बताया कि मिस्टर नाथ का दरवाज़ा शाम को खटखटाया था. तब उसने बोला था, ओपन द डोर क्विकली. द मैन हैड ओपनड इट एंड आस्क्ड हिम लॉस्ट अनदर मार्बल. मैन ओपनड इट एंड आस्क्ड अबाउट द मार्बल. ही हैड ऑब्वियसली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड माय ब्रदर. He means Mr. Nath. No, said Nisad. He had taken the man's hand in his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. Thrust, through a bar of chocolate. Did you get a chance to peek? Peek means look into the trunk. Savin, I asked. No. Nisad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me in, he said. Then he smiled, but I did find out anything, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. मैंने किससे बात की है? रमेश से. Who brings his food. Good for you, Mr. Detective, I said. Mr. Detective, I said, patting थपथपाना him on the back. I hope you cushioned him properly. Savin looked pleased. Savin was happy. Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh says he is not very particular about what he eats. It is always the same food, 2 chapatis, some dal and vegetable. And Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. दोनों देते हैं. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. Savin added, almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room. One for Mr. Nath and second for the stranger, who is very tall, fair, stout, strong, and he also wears spectacles. Ramesh says his visitor talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. Well done, Nisad, I told him. Now that we have made some progress with our inquiries, we will have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives so that we can trap the crook. जिससे कि हम इसको पकड़ सकें. How you do go on, Maya? Savin sighed. Take a breath. Sadly. How can you possibly imagine he is a crook? He looks so ordinary. He looked an ordinary person. We cannot say that he is a crook. Criminals can quite ordinary smarty, I replied instantly. Did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man. All criminals look an ordinary person. Have you not seen the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker in the paper? The monsoon broke the nest. Dark clouds accompanied means along with by blinding flashes of lightning and roaring rolls of thunder. There was thundering sound, burst with all their fury, flooding the street with a heavy downpour. Heavy rain came and the streets were flooded with water. School was to have reopened after the summer holidays, but no traffic could move through the school has to reopen but could not open because of the flood. I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat at my desk in our bedroom with a sheet of paper before me. So students, I think you are able to understand the story. How can we say that he is an expert detective?